Dear readers, welcome back. How are you? Where are you on the compass? Think to self. Ignite. Do you remember wanting to change the ending of a movie, book, song, or poem? Let's read. Inside Out and Back Again. Chew on it. How would you change your book? Pick one or think of your own. Add a scene where they eat your favorite food. Add a happy ending. Add a sporting event. Share how you would change your book. Add to Jamboard. Review, what are you reading? Remember to read most days. My short story or book is titled Rubric, all prompts answered with well thought out ideas, prompts answered with developed ideas, prompts answered, 2 prompts answered, 1 prompts answered. Here we are on the Jamboard. How are you today? Use the plus sign to open a post-it and write a word or import an image if that would work better for you. Optional, share why you feel as you do. 2 minutes, go for this, then go on to slide 3. Oh, sorry, or 2, and volunteer to read aloud. Thinking, feeling, doing, believing. Centered. I forgot centered. Common Core. Literacy. Draw evidence from literary or informational texts to support analysis, reflection, and research. Evidence equals what part of the story you're thinking of. Reflection, a change. Research, why. Level 3. Add something new on your own that was not in the story. Choose from any story you have ever read, or movie, or rap, or anime. Post-it, name, title of text, what you would add. Why would you add it? Dr. S. Inside Out and Back Again. Ha's neighbor could bring her and Mom to find Ha a comfy chair she really likes. Why are you adding this so Ha won't be as mad about the furniture? Dr. S. Inside Out and Back Again. I would add a small book of poems that Ha's dad read to the kids out of. Ha could bring it with her to the States. So Ha has something of her dad's. This should be about 10 minutes. Give us details. What does it look like, smell like? How did your choice books or Inside Out and Back Again make you feel? Could someone read directions loud, please? Choose the slide or the next ones. Dr. S. I felt worried for Ha and then happy because she had her mom Inside Out and Back Again. Choose to add images, emojis, or use post-its. Why? What part of your choice story made you feel that way? Remember to be respectful and school appropriate. Thank you. Do a good job. And when you are done, you may go on to the next slide. There's no like slide. So you can do images, import an image. See? Yep. Here you go. Happy spring. Thank you.